is after it warms up, it tends to quiet down a lot. But I'm still happy with it. If you didn't see my other video, this is true dual Thrush mufflers. All aluminized steel. See if I can get a good shot. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, there may be a small leak in it, but I'm not gonna bitch about it. I don't know if you can see all that. You kinda can. So if you guys like what you heard, go get Thrush mufflers. They're pretty damn good. You'll gain a lot of mileage too on your gas. Well, hope you guys like it.